At this point, I'm going to assume that you know how to get into Web10 and that you can publish items to your website from the previous modules. So we're just going to add another file in and then you can upload it later. I'm just going to briefly talk to you about creating some of the things that we talked about in Module 4, which was the font face and colors and sizes. So here we have our basic HTML code that we've been working with, and I have a piece of text here, hello world. And you can see how that will actually appear on the screen, if I can spell it correctly. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change the face to Arial. Okay, and I'll close this and we'll do another hello world. Now it's actually a good idea if we put in breaks in between each of these so that we can see exactly what it looks like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a few others so that we can see the difference. Oops. Get rid of that, do that again. We'll put a BR here so that we can copy those. Okay, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the size. I'm going to add a size tag to this. We'll make this 5. I will put in this one as size equals 5. And I'm going to show you the colors as well. We'll do size equals 5, and now we'll add a color equals red. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll do another one. Again, I'll choose the same size, size equals 5. And this time I'm going to use the hexadecimal notation. Again, remember I can use the pound symbol, and then what I'll do is I'll create two numbers, 3489 AA. We'll see what that looks like. I don't really know. I will choose a different font face for Donna. We'll see how that looks. And then I can choose a different font face here, sans serif. And what I can then do is I'll choose a different color attribute, and I'll do, let's say, purple. I'll make that purple. And then I can take myself down a little bit. We'll use Arial, and then I'll use the smallest size here, and we'll do 1. Okay. What I'll do is I'll save that, and then I can publish that. But remember, I can show you what this looks like, and I can basically open it up in the web browser, and there you go. So you'll see the first one is not an Arial. Then we have an Arial. Then we have it at size 5, and you'll see the different colors there. You'll notice that this one is, actually I've made these two the same, sorry about that. This one changes the color to this red. This one changes it to the blue. Then we start going down a little bit in size. We use the purple, and then 1. So from here, you are basically all set with understanding how the fonts work within fonts and sizes, colors, and typefaces that we'll generally use. Even when we do cascading style sheets, you will still be able to do that. You'll still be able to use those basic concepts.